My name is Megan Wojciechowski, and today I will be talking about developmental networks and give an example of one based off of a TV show. So, first, what is a developmental network? A developmental network shows how different cells and organs and body parts and other things are developed and differentiated through the regulation of genes, or basically how we go from one cell to a bunch of cells in a whole organism. So to give an example of one of these pathways, I will be using the characters from the show Malcolm in the Middle. So in this pathway, Lois the mom inhibits the transcription of Malcolm, her son. Hal the dad activates the transcription of Lois, his wife. Malcolm activates the transcription of Reese, his brother. And if Reese is activated, trouble occurs. And that is the end of the pathway. So here is the full pathway. To go over it one more time, Hal activates Lois, Lois inhibits Malcolm, and Malcolm activates Reese. So now I'll be going through some mutant scenarios, and we will be discussing what happens. So first, would Reese cause trouble if Malcolm is removed? No. This is because now that Malcolm is not there to activate Reese, Reese can't cause trouble. Would Reese cause trouble if Hal is removed? Yes. This is because now Hal is not there to activate Lois, so Lois cannot inhibit Malcolm, and Malcolm can activate Reese, and he can cause trouble. Would Reese cause trouble if Hal and Malcolm are removed? No. This is because first, Hal wasn't there to activate Lois to inhibit Malcolm, and Malcolm's not even there to activate Reese, so Reese cannot cause trouble. Would Reese cause trouble if Hal and Lois are removed? Yes, because Lois is no longer there to inhibit Malcolm, and Malcolm can now activate Reese.